are 3 quick bonus tricks for using SPSS output with Microsoft Word and Excel. In SPSS, you can export an output file directly into Excel using the command File, Export. You can also use the icon for export. Then adjust the settings to export as Excel 2007 and higher, the XLSX option. This will create a text file on your desktop that you can open in Excel. You would then copy the first 2 columns from the frequency table into a second worksheet to create your APA-style frequency table. Microsoft Word gives you auto-formatting options for tables. None of them are APA style, although you can use the light shading option and then clear all of the shading. Feel free to experiment with this to see if you like this option. You may run into a problem if you copy and paste a formula from one worksheet to another in Excel. Excel copies the formula and its references, which may not be what you want. You want the actual values. The solution is to choose Paste Special and then select Values.